Hey guys, what's up? Today, we'll create a Beyblade X Leon Claw Beyblade from cardboard, which is actually pretty similar to the legendary Beyblade Leon from MFB. To get started, cut at least 7 to 8 cardboard pieces, similar to the layer template, and attach them using glue, following the steps. We are almost done with the layer. Sinan is now shaping the Beyblade layer using a soldering iron. For making cardboard Beyblades, Sinan actually uses ice cream boxes, which you can collect from local shops where ice cream is sold. You can collect empty ice cream boxes from there. Next, for the ratchet, cut approximately 4 to 5 cardboard pieces matching the shape of the 560 ratchet. Finally, attach the small circular cardboard pieces with glue and secure the ratchet to the layer using hot glue. If you want to enhance the look, you can add colors around the Beyblade, though it's optional. Now, for the bit, take the cap of a marker pen like this one. You can also check out our other Beyblade X Beyblade Making videos in our Beyblade X Craft YT playlist. Your likes and positive comments truly inspire Sinan to create new videos. However, this video would be worth it for both of us if you just hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon down below.
Nice.